Your friend who has the pen drive which you used for a couple of days can retrieve back the so-called sensitive and delicate data and see all your confidential stuff. Yes, that's true. So it is possible that your friend can actually retrieve the deleted data from your pen drive. Let me tell you what you can do as a countermeasure to this attack. Are you someone who often borrows your friend's USB pen drives, copies the so-called sensitive and delicate data in it, use it for some days and do bother to give him the USB pen drive back? But when you give back, what you do is you carefully make sure you delete all the delicate and sensitive content from your pen drive and give him an empty pen drive. I'm sure most of you are able to relate to what I'm saying. Okay, what if I told you your friend who has the pen drive which you used for a couple of days can retrieve back the so-called sensitive and delicate data and see all your confidential stuff? Yes, that's true. So it is possible that your friend can actually retrieve the deleted data from your pen drive. So what I mean is, when you delete a file or a folder from your pen drive, what actually happens is it's called the symlinks. What happens is these data on the pen drive is often converted by the operating system from a data. It just converts it saying it is empty so that it is efficient and it doesn't occupy a lot of time by deleting them. But let me tell you, with the right tools and right tricks, it is definitely possible for your friend to retrieve back the actual data, making all your sensitive and delicate data available to the public. Okay, let me tell you what you can do as a countermeasure to this attack. Assume this is your friend's pen drive. You used it, you deleted it, and you gave it back. When I put my pen drive, my H drive opens, that is my USB pen drive, and you can see two folders in my pen drive, which is file and video test. What I'm going to do right now is I go click here and say CMD. When I say CMD, my command prompt opens on this drive. Now something interesting. I type in this command called Cipher/W. Okay, let me say Cipher/:. It shows a lot of help and parameters. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to say /W: H drive, because this is H drive. Right? So I say H: enter. When I say that, what happens is you will see a screen which is like this, and it says writing 0x00, which means it is filling in zeros across all the places where the data is converted to the so-called empty data, right? So it is filling with value called 0. This is otherwise popularly called the zero filling technique to make sure your data does not get deleted. So next time when you use your friend's pen drive, make it a point you use Cipher/W command, which is a default utility that is shipped with your Windows. I hope you had something to learn from this. If you did find this useful, please consider like and a subscribe. Thank you.